Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the language on MX Player using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner of its screen. From the Settings menu, find and tap on Language or App Language. If you don't see options on your MX Player app, simply go to Settings on your phone. Now tap on General. Now scroll down and tap on Language and Region. From here, tap on Add Language. Now select the language that works best for you. Once selected, the app will automatically refresh and change to the new language. You don't need to restart the phone or the app. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language on MX Player using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.